What bugs me? Bugs outside.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt? This is the bathroom.
We get asked all the time to treat for bugs outside. So let's look at what we can do and what cannot be done if you have bugs bothering you as you play outside. It may seem kind of obvious to some, but obviously it's not obvious to everyone. Bugs live outside. That's where they come from. They were there before you, so rudely invaded their space when you built your home. Then you took trees down that the bugs were living in and dug a massive hole for your Olympic-sized pool you never use, removing more of their habitat. Now they are looking for somewhere new to live since there is no eminent domain for the bugs on your property. Drastically changing the environment around your home can cause the bugs to start squatting in your home. It's your fault they are there. You just had to have your grotto with an outdoor kitchen, didn't you? Then you pay a bunch of money to put bushes and flowers and don't do it, the evil dreaded mulch. You put this evil dreaded pointless mulch right up against the house. So, you took away the bugs' home and created the perfect place for them to move into right up against your house. And guess what happens? They stop by for tea and biscuits uninvited. This is why we focus most of our prevention treatments on the exterior of your home. When we treat inside, we have to be careful what we use, where we use it, how much we use to keep Fido and little Johnny safe. On the outside, we can just lay it to it with more options for treatment and more areas and higher volumes and better materials. All in an attempt to prevent the insect takeover before they enter your home. Then you don't have to have pesticides inside your home. Why would you want pesticides in your home if you don't have to? Now don't get me wrong, the interior products will kill bugs, but they have to come in and come into contact with it in the limited amount and the limited areas before it can even do its murderous job. Kind of defeats the purpose, don't you think? Why not fix it outside before they enter the home? So, we treat outside. Great. That means if we treat outside, there shouldn't be bugs outside, right? Nope. Not even close. Look, there are a billion bugs in your yard, and you can go to Wally World, and spray your yard all you want, but that isn't going to prevent bugs from being on your property. Even if you used the good stuff on your entire yard, you aren't going to be bug-free. Why? Because the amount and diversity of insects outside is so vast that it's pointless to even try. I had a customer call complaining about ants and flies around the pool. Okay, well, we can do a couple things around the perimeter of the pool as long as it's far enough away from the pool for the ants, but realistically that's not going to mean you'll never have ants outside or around the pool. It's outside. That's their environment. You're not going to eliminate that. As for the random flying things around the pool, it's not like I can fog the neighborhood. There isn't a trap or a zapper that will do any good either. Those are actually drawing them into your yard, making it potentially worse. Again, the volume of pests in your yard, in any yard on the planet, is gargantuan. And bugs don't care about or respect property lines. If your neighbor's doing something in their backyard to attract or harbor pests, make it worse, you're probably going to have the gift of experiencing that too. Now, there are suggestions we can make, like adjusting landscaping or storage piles to reduce attracting more than normal, but again, it's outside. There will be bugs. What about moving your trash cans to a different location, closing the lid, or actually getting it in the can? I'm talking to you, teenager who was told to take the trash out. So, you're going to have to resign to the fact that if you want to enjoy the great outdoors, you will have some bugs to deal with. 99% of them won't bother you, and they all have their purpose in this world, from pollinating your garden, to eating other bugs, to aerating your yard, to eating other stuff we don't want, like rotting and decaying things to providing me a job to feed my family, and being the catalyst for some funny videos on the internet, like the reporters who can't finish their news story due to an onslaught of bugs. Look, they're going to be outside. I get it. You don't like bugs, but you're outside. That's what you're going to deal with. You want bugs me? Or you, actually, is outside bugs. But I love to kill them to prevent them from coming inside.
You're about to run into the chamber!
You're killing me, Smalls!
How's everybody doing tonight?
Yes, for certain. There is no stopping them. The ants will soon be here. And I, for one, welcome our new insect overlords. I'd like to remind them that as a trusted TV personality, it can be helpful in rounding up others to toil in their underground sugar cave.
So, I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.